Hello friends, this is a pick a card reading and the question is who is currently spying upon them? Who is observing your social media, right? So let me give you the options. First option you have this red spoon and the another option you have this blue one. So choose any one option, right? Red one or the blue one. So let me begin with the red one. Let me place here. So let's check out who is like spying your social media. So for my beautiful group number one, whoever choose pile number one, see three of cups, six of cups, double the energy. Who is checking up on your social media? Eight of wands, ace of cups. See, oh, there are lot of cups. So maybe you are dealing with some sort of a water sign that I strongly feel, but it may be also a fire sign, but strongly a water sign. Cancer, Leo, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. And this is definitely there are see for pile number one. There are lots of people who is like spying upon your social media because first of all the spoon you choose of red color. So red color is also representing that you are very attractive kind of a person. You have some magnetic energy inside you which attract lot of people, right? So definitely you not only your soulmate, yes, one of your soulmate definitely checking upon your social media, but also your friends. Your friend circle is also feel so much drawn towards you, right? So let me take more cards. Who is spying upon your social media? Nine of Pentacles. You have many followers, or maybe you are kind of a person who is like a influencer. So you have a lots of secret admirers who follow you or observe you from the far or checking upon your social media. See Ace of Pentacle. You have two aces in your reading. Whoever choose pile number one, you are very charming, good looking, attractive. You have a magnetic field. That's why people do attract towards you. And bottom of the deck, King of Cups. So see, first of all, there are some friends who is gossiping behind your back about the features that you have, about the qualities you have, right? So these are your friends who is checking upon your social media. And at the same time, there is some sort of a soulmate with whom you are spending some good time period, right? You definitely recognize this person as a your soulmate. So this person is also checking your social media. And eight of wands, you definitely talking with these people. Maybe you are in a communication with your soulmate or maybe with your friends, but you definitely communicating with all these people who is checking upon you. And the thing is ace of cup. Ace of cup is also representing that your soulmate wants some sort of a new beginning with you. Someone in your around your circle, maybe this is your soulmate or someone checking upon your social media, because in future this person do want to offer you some sort of a new beginning, their love offer. So some sort of a offer definitely coming towards you. There are two offers actually. One is like full of love and emotional satisfaction that this person want to provide, and the another person who is very much single. See, this person is your soulmate who want to offer their love towards you, and this is the another person who is very much single, who is in their higher vibration, and who want to offer this stability, this security, serious commitment. So one person want to offer you some sort of a love offer in the future. So you, there are two offers that is coming your way. For pile number one, there are two offers for you. One from your soulmate and the another from the person who is very much single right now and in their highest vibration, who know how to nurture and take care of themselves. This person is very much like know their self-worth. This person is also very charming, beautiful and everything. Very stable person, financially secure person. So this person also want to offer you something, and maybe that is the reason that you are juggling between, maybe this is already happened or maybe in upcoming days you feel like confused in both the offers. You try to make some sort of a balance as there are two offers. So some sort of a repeated cycle going on in your life. You have a choice. Whoever choose pile number one, you have a choice. That's why maybe there is a third party situation. You have two choices though. So there is a like two people that is madly in love with you and definitely want to start something new, from which one is your soulmate and the another is like very much single kind of energy who is very financially secure and stable. And maybe there's a third party situation, or maybe these are your friends who is gossiping behind your back about all these things, and they are also checking upon your social media. But I'm strongly getting that you have a, see again bottom of the deck, you have king and queen. So this is like the two person in your life. One is like king of cups and the another is like queen of pentacles. One person is so much emotional, but they know how to handle their emotions, and the second person is financially strong, a perfect husband wife kind of a material. They provide you the security in the connection, right? So let me take some advice for my beautiful viewers, whoever choose pile number one. So you have the three advice card. Four leaf clover, great good fortune. So some sort of a great good fortune coming your way. Boot, increase your effort if you want to achieve your goals. You have to put more efforts if you want anything in your life. Both money or property through an inheritance, winning or windfall. So you are definitely getting some sort of a good fortune. There are some sort of a money that is coming your way, and you also have to put some efforts if you do want to get these all kind of a great fortune and the money. So some sort of a money coming your way. So let me take some angels cards. Any angel advice for my viewers? Okay, so we have one card here. Birthday. This is the card. A significant birthday holds the answer of your question. So whenever your next birthday arrives, some sort of an answer that you want from the universe, that answer is coming towards you on your next birthday, right? So let me take some messages from your soulmate, what they are up to, right? So what your soulmate is up to: karma completion and follow your dreams. If you ask me about your soulmate, then what they are doing in their life is like some sort of a karma is completed in their life, some cycle is like ended, and they are chasing their dreams in their life. Let me take what you are this new partner who want to offer you something stable, what they are up to. Let's see what they are up to in their life. So this single person is like putting effort. They want to put effort, they want to convince you. They are like making a move or putting some sort of efforts towards you so that you will accept their offer. Whoever the single person, they want to put some efforts so that you may accept their offer. Right? So this is the reading for pile number 1. Let me move on to pile number 2. So if you choose blue, then let's check out. Let me shuffle the card. Wait a minute. Okay. So for whoever choose pile number 2, who is spying upon your social media, who is checking your social media, one person who is literally in a pain, definitely checking your social media. Maybe in the past you have some sort of a breakup. 8 of Wands, they want some sort of a communication. This person who is like maybe in the past you both have some conflicts or maybe break up with someone who is in a deep pain. If maybe you reject the offer of this person, so someone is like feeling the pain and they do want to contact you, and they are like spying upon your social media. So take what resonates. Okay, let me take more cards. Who is checking upon your social media? Definitely one person you have who is like feeling the loss. Whoever choose pile number 2, Wheel of Fortune, who is checking upon your social media. Pile number 2, Hermit. Okay, so this is like you definitely have a very strong person. Whoever choose pile number 2, you are definitely going through some sort of a distance with your partner, separation little bit. Maybe you are not talking with them, something like that. Let me take more cards. Who is checking upon your social media? Six of Cups. This is also coming pop out for pile number 1. So let me take more cards. Who is checking upon your social media? I'm not taking that much. Let me shuffle again. Okay, so we have a Four of Swords and the Page of Cups. And the bottom of the deck, Three of Cups. See, whoever choose pile number 2, you do not have that much followers in your life, but you really have one that significant soulmate, right? That do checking up on your social media. Like the pile number 1, you are not kind of a that kind of a person who is like very attractive or having any magnetic field around you. You are very simple living, high thinking kind of a person, right? You believe in simplicity, you believe in down to earth kind of a nature. So like earthly vibe from you means you are very stable. You are not lingering here and there, right? You believe in the simplicity. Now the person that is continuously checking upon you is like you have some sort of you know this person. First of all, you definitely know this person. This person is going through some sort of a heartache, pain in their life, and this is your soulmate. You both are in no contact, and if there is a contact, then that is not that much happening for you, right? So yeah, maybe you have a little bit of a conversation with them, but this person is like not talking with anyone, and this is you definitely your soulmate. They are in a pain, they are like isolating themselves. They do want to communicate with you, but if they do communicate, then they offer you just, they are not able to, they are not in a situation to offer you something big. They only convey you a small text message. This person don't have much to offer you right now. They are totally focused on their self healing. Four of swords, this person definitely checking up on your social media. Maybe for some there is a third party situation, right? So something is like going on that is disturbing your connection in the past. So but the thing is, wheel of fortune is like, this is something fated that meant to be happen in your life, and this person is definitely going through some healing time period. They are taking a break, they are taking a nap, they are not talking with anyone, right? Their total focus is like on a self healing. Maybe they do meditate or something, and if they do want to communicate with you, but that offer is like just a small text message, and that is, they are not confirmed that if they do send you that message or not. They are totally like in a resting mode. They are waiting for the right time to offer you this small text message even. So for pile number 2, there are not that much going on in your life. This is something heartbreak, that is the difficult phase that you are going through. And the 3 of cups again representing a third party situation. So let me take some angels advice for my beautiful viewers. So you have a one strong person who is like continuously spying upon you. So any advice from the angels for my beautiful pile number 2? So you have the winter. The answers to your prayers and the affirmations are fully realized in the winter month. So if you are asking some sort of answers from the divine, then that answers will be delivered. You get your answer in the winter season. Let me take what this person is up to. Who is your soulmate? What they are currently dealing with or doing in their life? What they are currently up to? Who is this person? Okay, so we have the follow your dreams and the nature. This person spending some time close to the nature, or this person is just simply a nature loving person who want to follow their dreams. They have some dreams and they want to follow their dreams, right? And you see the synchronicity of the cards. 85, 8 plus 5 is like 13, right? 7 and 4 is 11. So maybe that numbers are important for you in some sort of a way. So let me take some more advice cards for my beautiful viewers. You have the bouquet, compliment from an admirer. So someone do want to compliment you. You have a secret admirer in your life, and I'm guessing that this person may be telling you or not, expressing you or not, but they are your secret admirer and they do want to compliment you about something. Any other advice? So you have dog barking, advice from a friend. You need a advice currently. Maybe one of your friend do help you in this sort of a situation. Frying pan, trouble and accursion. So some sort of a trouble that you definitely going through in this connection. Fly, a period of ill health, depression. Maybe you or your partner is also going through some depressing moments in your life. Folks, shrewdness and the resourcefulness, especially in business. So some sort of a like a shrewdness and the resourcefulness in your business department. Last card, you have the desk. Pay attention to your work. If you are going through some sort of a difficulty, depression, it's not the time to be sad. It's time to pay attention to your work, because if you are not paying attention to your work, then it may cause you some sort of a problem or troubles in the future. This is the advice, right? So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.